Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus, and without further ado, let's get into the first story. Google's back. Google launches Gemini 3 Flash. That thing is out of the gate moving. Google today released its fast and cheap Gemini 3 Flash model based on the Gemini 3 released based on the Gemini 3 release last month, looking to steal OpenAI's thunder. The company is also making this the default model in the Gemini app and in AI mode and search. The new Flash model arrived 6 months after Google announced the Gemini 2.5 Flash model, offering significant improvements on the benchmark. The Gemini 3 Flash model outperforms its predecessor by a significant margin and matches the performance of other frontier models like Gemini 3 Pro and GPT 5.2 in some measures. So we got the new Gemini 3 Flash. That thing is out here. It's moving. It's fast. Obviously, by the name Flash, that's what they're selling. That's what they're marketing. And it's going to be included in search, which was a big issue. Previously, people thought that because of the release of Comet, Google was going to lose market share in search to AI. But here they are with 3 Flash out here making moves. NVIDIA is working with our greatest ally. Our greatest ally, Israel. NVIDIA is planning to build the largest server farm in Israel, according to a report from Calculist. The company is expected to announce this plan in coming days. The report said NVIDIA is in discussions to lease a data center that is currently under construction and to contribute to the 1.5 billion shekel cost of the building. The tech giant is also expected to invest in computing equipment, which would bring the total cost of the server farm to approximately 4.84 billion shekels. The construction of the facility is expected to be completed within about 18 months after the deal is signed. So Israel's getting some AI data center technology. You know they weren't going to be left out of this. Nebius is in the fold. Nebius has done a deal today, announced Nebius AI Cloud 3.1. Nebius should definitely be on your watch list. You might want to invest in it. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Bringing next generation NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra compute and enhance operational capabilities to the latest release of its full-stack AI cloud platform. Version 3.1 builds on the foundations of Nebius AI Cloud Ether, adding transparent capacity management and expanded infrastructure to deliver the operational visibility and resource planning capabilities that customers need as they scale AI in production. So great news for Nebius. Great news for NVIDIA. NVIDIA just seems to be like the backbone of this whole thing. But do not leave out Hut 8. Hut 8 cut a deal today. Hut 8 cut a deal today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hut 8 announced Wednesday it has signed a 15-year lease with FluidStack for 245 megawatts of IT capacity at its Riverbend data center campus in Louisiana. The base term contract is valued at $7 billion and could reach about $17.7 billion if all renewal options are exercised. The agreement is supported by a financial backstop from Google, which covers lease payments and related obligations over the 15-year base term. Hut 8 also announced today that it has formed a partnership with Anthropic and FluidStack to develop a comprehensive AI data center infrastructure in the U.S., planning to deliver between 245 and 2,295 megawatts of data center capacity. Shares of Hut 8 rose about 25% in pre-market trading after the company announced the agreements, according to Yahoo Finance. And that thing was up. If Hut 8 is not on your watch list, if it's not in your portfolio, now is your opportunity to strongly consider investing in Hut 8. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Before we finish the rest of this update, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss another one of these profitable updates. Wedbush is weighing in on quantum computing. Wedbush Securities has started coverage on several quantum computing stocks, assigning outperform ratings to IONQ, Rigetti, and D-Wave, while giving a neutral rating to quantum computing. The firm views quantum computing as a transformative technology with immense long-term potential. Analysts project that by 2030, spending on these companies could approach 2% of total compute expenditures. Price targets for IONQ, 60, 35 for Rigetti, and D-Wave, $12 for quantum computing. All of those are on our watch list. If you're looking to invest in AI, those should definitely be on your watch list. Earnings today, Micron U. Is it today or tomorrow? I think it's today. No, it's today. Micron Tech, MU is the ticker. They have earnings today. Tomorrow is the CPI numbers. Tomorrow are the CPI numbers, core CPI. I'm expecting bad news, mostly because I have puts contracts that are open right now. Looking to close those tomorrow at open. We'll take a look at that and some of our trading strategies on the live show, kick.com/HotepJesusLive. If you guys want to join us for technical analysis and political and current events updates. With that being said, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Get out of here.
You was training me, man, when it was training day, like Denzel.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.